This is Hyperbola Notes, Day 2. On this it says, write an equation in standard form with a hyperbola that ends in the transverse axis and gives you 2 points, and the conjugate with ends at these 2 points. Okay, remember transverse means this is your vertex. Conjugate, this is your co-vertex. So I'm going to go ahead and plot these points on my graph. We've got negative 2, 2 as a vertex, and negative 2, 6 as a vertex. That means this is a vertical. Remember, on your vertical, you can go ahead and start setting this up. Your vertical is y first. Quantity squared, remember hyperbola is a difference. And then you've got x minus quantity squared, and that's equal to 1. Since we've got a vertex right here, we can count in the middle, and that gives you a center right here. So your center is negative 2, 4. So this is going to be plus 2, and this is going to be minus 4. Now we just have to find our a and b values. It looks like your a, we can go ahead and see that's going to be a difference of 2. So if a is a difference of 2, remember a is always first, so this is going to be 4. If we plot our co-vertex, that's going to be negative 5, 4. And I don't even have to plot my other one because then I can get my difference here. And this is 1, 2, 3. So if b is 3, then b is going to be 9 here. And there's my equation. Okay, on my second one, write an equation in standard form. It gives you the foci. Remember, this is your C value. And the one end of the transverse, and that's your vertex. So foci is going to be 6, 3 and negative 6, 3. So I'm going to have to find my center in the middle. So this is going to be exactly right here. So center is 0, 3. And since this is going left and right, this is going to be horizontal. Horizontal starts with x. So I'm going to say x minus 0, quantity squared. And you can just say x squared if you would like to, with a difference. And then y minus 3, quantity squared. That equals 1. And one end of the transverse, so your transverse is at 1, 3. That's vertex. So that gives me an a of 1. Remember, a is always first. So I'm going to go ahead and use my c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So c squared is, let's find this difference right here. So that's going to be 6. So this is going to be 36 equals 1 squared. Whoops, sorry, don't need the squared. 1 plus b squared. If I subtract that, b squared is going to be 35. Don't need to square root it. That's just my answer. All right, that's it.